Generative AI is changing the game for how we create applications and automations. Now, we can just describe what we want and AI will help us create it. Let's see how Copilot and Power Automate can act as a real-time collaborator to help us build automations. Woodgrove Bank is a small regional bank and they have moderate IT resources available to them. We'll see how we can leverage Copilot and Power Automate to help them build solutions around a new student loan program that they're launching. We'll open up the new Power Automate homepage that's available here in preview environments, where we'll see the option to describe it to design it. All we need to do here is describe our intent for what we want to automate. So I can say, whenever a new row is added into a Dataverse database, send me a Teams notification from the Flowbot. We'll submit that to the Copilot, and now you can see that the Copilot has just used GPT behind the scenes to understand what we typed and has recommended a flow structure that meets our needs. We can just click Next, confirm the connector that it's using, and click Next again, select Create Flow, and now we'll be taken to the flow editing experience where I can continue to refine the flow. You'll notice that we have a brand new flow editor experience with an updated, modern look and feel and an integrated Copilot on the right-hand side that we can use to make changes to our flow. We can click on our Dataverse trigger and see the new Flow Designer experience with the panel on the left-hand side to fill out our properties. So for the table name, we can point that to our Student Loan Applications table. So not only can we fill out some properties like this with the new Flow Editor experience, we can also leverage this built-in Copilot to help me tweak my flow. So maybe I want to add some additional logic to this flow. So in the Copilot, I can say something like, route the team's message to my manager if the loan amount is more than $25,000. Now I'll press Enter, and the Copilot will go to work to add in the necessary logic to my flow to make this happen. So we can see that it's added this condition inside of our flow. And if it meets that condition, it's going to get my manager and post a message to them inside of Microsoft Teams. Otherwise, it'll keep the normal flow of posting a message to me. We can go into our Teams actions and fill out our inputs. So I can customize the message here and say something like, new student loan application submitted. Details below. And we can pull in dynamic content by clicking on the lightning bolt icon and pulling in all this information like their name, loan amount, and how about we'll do loan purpose. I can copy this message and put it in our false condition here. And then now I just need to add one more step here. I want to be able to notify the submitter that we've received the request and we're working on it. To do that, we can click on the plus icon and go to Add an Action, where we can access and leverage the over 1,000 connectors that we have available for Power Automate. I want to be able to send an email, and I want to do that using Outlook, so I'll search for Outlook. And for the Office 365 Outlook connector, we'll select the Send an Email action. Now all we have to do is fill in some information on who we want to send it to. We'll use a custom value from our dynamic content and pull in the submitter's email. A subject of your loan application was received, and I'll just put in, we're working on your loan request. We'll follow up shortly. And now once we save our flow, we can do a test. So we'll add a new student loan application, put in a loan amount and a purpose, click Save, and this should kick off our Copilot created flow. And now I should see a notification inside of Microsoft Teams from Power Automate with my new loan submission information. We can even take this a step further though and add even more capability into our process. When we send this message to the loan officer, I like to send along some competitive information. We usually compete with Contoso Bank, and I'd love to extract some information from their website with relevant things like their terms and conditions so that our loan officer knows what the competitive situation is. That can't be hard-coded because the information changes so often, so I can actually leverage Power Automate Desktop, which is built into Windows 11 and helps us automate our applications through websites or directly on the machine itself. I have an automation that I've actually already built out here that extracts information from Contoso Bank's website. This desktop flow that I created launches Microsoft Edge and gets details from Contoso's website. But I didn't want to stop there. There's specific information that I want to get. So to do that, I've added the action inside of Power Automate Desktop to create text with a GPT using Azure OpenAI service. And I've given some detailed instructions here on exactly how I wanted to format the information. So now this desktop flow can run, get that information, use GPT to extract only the information that I care about in my specific format. So now between our desktop flow to be able to extract information from our competitor's website using GPT and the cloud flow that we just created using Copilot to be able to send notifications when new applications are received, we've completely automated our process. As you can see, this integrated Copilot and the Power Automate Maker experience makes it so easy to build out flows. 2